Mercedes-Benz presented the EQ series at the IAA Mobility 2021 Auto Show in Munich, Germany. As well as the older Mercedes-Benz EQS, the compact Mercedes-Benz EQE is based on the new EVA2 platform. It is clear from its name that the Mercedes-Benz EQE is positioned as a replacement for the Mercedes-Benz E-Class business sedan, and the model, therefore, has a similar design and dimensions. The developers emphasized that the external dimensions of the electric car are comparable to the more compact CLS model, but the useful space of the cabin and trunk is fully consistent with the current E-Class model. The first version of the Mercedes-Benz EQE 350 was launched, and other configurations of the model will follow, and each of them uses the main electric motor ETS on the rear axle. An all-wheel drive 4MODIC variant uses an additional ETS on the front axle. The EQE 350 version gets a single electric motor with 288 horsepower, 215 kilowatts and 530 Nm of torque. This version uses a 90 kWh battery that provides a range of 410 miles. The batteries also support high-speed constant current charging with up to 170 kilowatts. In this mode, it takes 32 minutes to almost fully charge the battery, 10 to 80%, and charging for 15 minutes will provide an additional 155 miles of range. The basic versions of the Mercedes-Benz EQE are equipped with a 12.2-inch digital dashboard and a 12.8-inch center display, while the much more impressive MBUX Hyperscreen is available as an option. The total screen diagonal of this version exceeds 56 inches, 12.3-inch for the dashboard, 17.7-inch for the center display, and a separate 12.3-inch screen for the front passenger. Sales of the Mercedes-Benz EQE will start in mid-2022, while its production will start in two factories, in Beijing, for the Chinese market, and in Bremen, for the rest of the world. Other versions of the model and their retail prices will be announced later in the process of market launch.